So this is drunken drive prevention system. So this is the alcohol sensor. To detect drunken drive, this is the MQ3 sensor. This is Arduino Uno microcontroller. This is the relay. One for fuel supply, one for ignition. This is a 12 volt to 5 volt power reduction circuit. This is battery 12 volt 7 Ah. That does rechargeable battery. So red wire is here connected to the solenoid valve. So this is the solenoid valve. So this is the petrol tank normally. We are using now water and coolant oil. So you have to open the gate valve. Now it will not come the water. After connecting these two wire to battery, that time without drunken, the fuel supply goes to the carburetor. If any drunken drive is detected, automatically the fuel supply will be cutting and the ignition will be off. These two black wire is connected to the ignition. Ignition in Hero Honda, we are having two wire already we have taken, green and black and white. The two wire is the Hero Honda having the ignition wires. So this wire you got to connect these black wires. So you got to take the wire from your vehicle. Otherwise you got to given the ignition wire to any mechanic, any other engine means that time you also it will be possible. Now you got to connect the battery circuit here. Red, black. So that time you are having a single light will come. Now relay will be on. The fuel supply will be going down. The green light will come. So that time you got to wait for 1 minute. Because green light is coming means it will not work because it will be heating for some time. So you got to wait for 2 minutes. After green light will be on, then only you got to start the engine. You got to wait for 2 minutes. If green light will be go. Now after 2 minutes the green light will be gone. So now only one light will be done. Now the fuel supply will be on. It goes to the carburetor. Then you have to on the engine. Now normal condition, two relay will be on. So fuel supply and ignition will be off. Okay, now it will be going. Now you have to start the engine. It will be started. You have to try now this is the alcohol thinner. Put on here. The green light will be blue. This is for adjustment. The green light will be on. That time the relay will be off. Automatic engine will be off. Fuel supply also off. After removing that alcohol, the green light will be go. Now green light is going, the relay is on. Now we have to start the engine. Automatically it will be working. The fuel supply is on. Everything is on. It is working. Green light is on, alcohol direction, relay off, engine off, fuel supply will be off. This is the drunken drive prevention sensor. This is the alcohol sensor, Arduino Uno microcontroller, power supply, two relay. The battery is solenoid valve. So this is the concept. Now alcohol is removed, so automatically it will be start the engine. Whenever drinking is done, automatically it will be off. So now we are using that instead of water with the coolant oil. Then only the corrosion not will come. Only pure water means it will be not working, it will be damaged. Otherwise you got to use petrol or diesel. Otherwise you got to put on water to coolant oil. So that time only the corrosion not coming. The lathe coolant oil. So So this is the concept of drunken drive prevention system. This is the ignition wire. The green and black and white. In Hero Honda, we are having the 5-pin plug will come. The 4 wire is coming. One is black, red, green and black and white. Green and black and white is the ignition wires. So you want to connect these 2 wires to the ignition coil. So this is connected to the ignition, so that time it will be working.